So, last week I added a checkpoint flag and a finish flag. I also created a parallax background. I worked on 2 levels and also added level transition. So, let's see what we worked on this week. But before we begin, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and if you have, please hit the bell icon so you never miss the next one. There's also a like button, apparently that increases engagement, so make sure to hit the like button too if you like this video. Thank you! So, first things first, I added a main menu that you would go to before starting the game. I also worked on the start screen, which is now in its perfect form. I also worked on the options menu and the level select. The options menu only has 3 tabs at the moment, one for general options such as full screen toggle, one for audio where you can adjust audio levels, and one for health where you can see all the keybinds. The level select currently has 5 levels, since I have been working towards getting a demo version finished. As part of the level select screen, I had to come up with something that would send you into the level. So I thought, well, Kirby and the Amazing Mirror have mirrors that take you to the level, but then I realized since it was already done to my knowledge, I don't want to do that. So I thought about doing doors instead, so I did. There are 3 stages to the doors: lock, close, and open. The locked doors will require you to finish the previous level, but in this demo you don't need to worry about all that, they're all unlocked. I also created a tree object which is where the birds will stand on in the levels they are in. I then create logos for the game. I created a text logo, a plain text logo, and an app icon. I really like how they came out. However, a lot of it was just trial and error to get the right thing I wanted out of it. I also added hit and attack sounds. The hit sounds would play when you're hit, the attack sounds would play when you're attacking. I also added a splash screen, so that now, when you launch the game, you go through this splash screen. This splash screen includes seeing the Alexia Games logo, and also scenes made with Godot. Afterwards, I worked on a way to play background music without hassle, so I decided to create a global node called background music, which is an audio stream player that is loaded in when the game starts. Next, I created the last 3 levels for the demo and added music for those levels. And for packaging the game, I removed the debug scene so that it's not leaving behind any dev stuff that the player might accidentally come across. And now, that was everything we have done this week. I'm going to be honest guys, I actually finished this demo on Monday, but I wanted to wait till Thursday to release the demo, since I wanted to release the demo at the same time this video goes live. There's also a trailer released on my Adventures Games channel, if you could also please check that out. Thank you for watching, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you enjoyed this video. Also comment if I should continue this devlog series, or if I should continue without needing to pump out a video every week. Anyways, enough of me speaking, I will be seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.